Hey YouTube, how's it going? This is Zechariah Hodge, and I am going to be doing sound effects on the deluxe talkboy tape recorder. Our first sound is going to be... Wait, let me set it up first. Okay, here we go. Our first sound is going to be... Kiss me, I'm a prince. Kiss me, I'm a prince. Wait. Stop drooling on me. Okay, that was the second one. And our third one is going to be... Hi kids, we're home early. That did sound a little funny, but anyway, our last one is going to be... Hey Mom, I think I figured out what's wrong. Oh, that was the second. It did go a little fast, but I hope you enjoyed the sound effects.